Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to find something within your document. So how to search among your paragraphs by using a simple or typing in a single keyword that will help you to get to that part in your document. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the on my iPhone section and select document. After that, you should tap on the three dots icon at the top of the screen. Scroll down till you find the find option. Here you can see a search bar at the top of the screen, so all you have to do is typing in a single keyword, which will help you to find that particular part in the in your text that you are interested in. Here you can see the result. If you want to search for another thing, as you can see, no occurrences are found. But here you can select the previous and next option if you want to go to the next result of your search. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.